Hi guys, it's your favorite girl, Precious, and you are watching Golden Lady TV show. If today is your first time watching my video, you are welcome to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload video. And to my old subscribers, thank you very much for watching Golden Lady TV show. I appreciate you guys so much. Okay guys, don't worry, don't look at how I just first of all touch my face because I've already wake up this morning. I got a gift from the S Mike, yes, and the children too. So before I go to the details of it, what I got or whatever, I just want to say Merry Christmas to you all, and I hope you slept well last night. That is 2020, 24th of December. Okay, so today is 25th of December and we are vlogging what we do this morning. Oh God! Hey. This woman is trying to disgrace my life this morning, guys. Hi, my hair is still paining me. Sorry, this is my Christmas hair actually. Okay guys, so we actually made this hair last night because I want to put some wig. It's look nice or that. So guys, this morning we are going to be preparing some, of course, Christmas food. We all know that Christmas is all about eating and receiving, because yes, this morning they wake me up with a gift. I was so happy. And now you have to give us food though. Sometimes they wake you up with breakfast, but this morning they wake me up with gifts and the children. So I'm going to be showing you guys the short video there, so you guys will know what I got. And if you can actually go and watch the full video in the first mic, I'll drop the link so that you guys description box below. You guys will go and watch it there. It was very lovely, and if you want to see the gift the kids got, you can go and watch the full video. So this morning now, I'm not at home. I came to visit the first mic so we can do the Christmas together. Can I mute these people? Is it possible? Yeah! Can I mute them? What is this? Okay. Yeah. So this morning, hello! So we are going to be having what is it called? Fried rice, salad, and ofonubo. Have you eaten ofonubo? We are normally used to make what that is that thing again? Meat pie, but we forgot to buy butter. Can you imagine? We went to the supermarket and the supermarket is not open today at all. Not at all. Seriously. And yesterday said the supermarket closed by 12 o'clock. Yeah, I don't know of that. And we went out too. And we went out too. And we forget passport as well. This is our Christmas. So this is our turkey. Oh yeah, it's too big. Take it up. Okay. So we are about to cut. Me, I'm cutting my carrots now. So hey guys, so this is the turkey is ready now. So we are about to put it in the oven. So it's going to be covering it with foil. You understand? Then so don't look at everywhere. Of course, when you are cooking, this is how it looks like. So we are going to be yeah. So if you hear any voice, just know it's the Vesma. You see her with her leg light and her big tummy. With her Christmas tree. So, and for the Christmas of today, we are going to be covering it with foil. So it's very nice. You guys, you can try it like this. It will make it first like 30 or 40 minutes. Then you remove it. So it will now dry. Because we didn't spice it last night for you to be able to soak. Okay. Because if it's just chicken, it could have been better, but this turkey is too big to just leave that way. So guys, I'm trying to cut the carrots now, so I'm going to be using this hand machine. It's very, very nice in case if you need something that will make your carrot more easier and neat. So all you need to do, I don't know if you have this, it make more carrots easier and it make it, you see, it's very neat. I love it so much. So it make it more easier. So everything is going fine, everything is going well. We are still in the kitchen cooking. cooking. This is more easier. So you can go to maybe Medium Market if you're staying in Germany, or any other shop. They are still selling it, even online. So, and it's affordable. So guys, I just finished cutting the carrots. You can see this is the paprika. I don't know what this thing is called in English. Is it green pepper or big pepper? I don't know. This is the carrot. So I just finished the carrot. So I'm going to be cutting the small chicken, because I will be needing the water to use and cook the fried rice. So let me leave it for you people to see us a little bit. Okay.
And what am I doing in the kitchen? What am I doing?
This is my stuff.
Now why are you not talking about this, my car? Merry Christmas, my lovers! Use all the other one. Use all the other one. If you don't let you use the big one. Let the big one go to the other side.
Jesus.
Yeah, baby. I was asking of you people.
So, I flock Emily, make up for you. Still, you know, this chicken is too blood. It's a small, strong chicken. So, guys, so this is the water of the fried rice. I just spice it. I'm going to be covering it and leave it to boil before I'll add the rice. I want to wash the rice very soon now, so keep washing. So guys, it's not yet done, but I want to turn it, you understand? And the bitter leaf too. See the bitter leaf meat. Everything is bitter leaf soup. Everything is going. The best mic is the one working on bitter leaf with her Christmas cap. Jingle. So everywhere is burning like fire. By this year, Mama. It was me go moto by this year, man. It was me moto by this year, man. It was me go to by this year, man. Why Jacka dear, why? So guys, it's Christmas and we are preparing a delicious, what is it called again? Some delicious meals. So in here is on our pork. In here is our Christmas turkey. Yeah. And I have to lower it down. We are cooking bitter leaf, arranging some, you know, the remaining bomo from stockfish. Yeah. So hope you are enjoying yours as well. So guys, I've started frying the fried rice. I've already fried half. Still on it, still frying. Yeah, the fried rice is ready. So I just finished making it. As you can see, it looks so yummy and lovely. Yes. So guys, something really happened. So guys, the bitter leaf have comma. Yes, comma. Okay. Do you know why? We actually went to a long African shop. So and we got a bitter leaf. Look at the bitter leaf, as you can see it. They ground it. I don't know if I should say they ground it. They ground it and pieces it. If you can see it very well, it look like black soup. So and you can see it's very thick. If that is not because of this bitter leaf, this soup would have been would have been so as in very tasty. It's very yummy. Look at it. All the the way they use cook am now. But after okay again. No, emere ka afro. After okay make afro. Oh my god, this is nice, guys. If not because of this bitter leaf, you see, but it still come out very nice. It still tastes good. The taste is very lovely. As in, it look like our Leo Igbo ofonubu. If not because of even ogiride inside this soup that you are seeing. Not even all the different kind of meat. But what can we do? It's still sweet, and I'm going to eat it like say tomorrow, not day, because we all know we are guys, this is the end of our cooking. Oh my god, this is just so nice. So this is the fried rice, the salad, you can see, and our turkey. Yes. So guys, I hope you cook your own. Yeah. Chimiti